All right, here we go. Okay, tonight's the day after Thanksgiving. We survived Thanksgiving. We've got 3 boxes to open and a couple more things to look at. I'm Papa Pops. This is Rigby. He's kind of grumpy tonight. We'll see how this goes. All right, and we're going to start off with a couple things I found at Walmart Sunday. I went to Walmart Sunday morning. It was before 8 o'clock. And I always go on the weekends and pick up stuff I need for the week. And so I walked through the electronic department and I couldn't believe my eyes. There they were, the things I've been looking for. They're sold out everywhere. You can't find them. And they're charging more than double on eBay. So yeah, I found them. $40 Walmart price. I could not believe it. And anyway, here's the first one. Yeah. It's a Funko Pops Albums Deluxe. It's Guns N' Roses. Appetite for Destruction. Check it out. At the end of the video, I'll get them out of the box and take some better pictures of them. But there's that one, Guns N' Roses. And not only did they have that one, they had this one. Check it out. It's AC/DC Back in Black with all 5 members. This is awesome. I could not believe it when I found them. And we'll get them out here after a bit. We got some boxes to open. Alright, let's start with this one, I guess. This is from eBay. Came from Ohio. And of course we got the bubble wrap. Oh yeah, that was easy. This is for our Treehouse of Horrors collection. And it's Vampire Mr. Burns. Right on. Let's get him out of there. Gotta have Mr. Burns. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that is cool. Got his fangs. Check him out. Alright, we'll put him on the spinner before I get out of here. Did you see that? Yeah. It's Mr. Burns. He's a vampire. Alright. Now we'll go with this big one next. It's got 2 of them in it. I bought 2 from the same seller and he put them together, which is fine. And these are Game of Thrones Deluxe. Two of them that I needed. And first off, we got, hang on, get this box out of the way. First off, we got Jon Snow and Regal. That's the dragon that Jon Snow would ride around on. So let's get him out of there and check it out. Tape shut. Box ain't real great. we can get him out of here. All right. Oh, there he is. Jon Snow's going for a ride on the green dragon. Check it out. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. It's going to go great with the rest of my Game of Thrones. Looks good. Okay, now this next one, I've been trying to buy one since I got started in all this. I'm trying to get Hodor, holding the door. One of my favorite scenes. Hodor. Let's get him out of there. Oh, tape shut. Look here, there's Hodor. You like Hodor? Yeah. How's he sniffing? Alright, let's get him out of there. It's Hodor and he's holding the door, keeping them White Walkers from getting a hold of Bran. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is going to look good setting with the rest of them. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. There he is. Big old Hodor. Check it out. Yeah, cool. Set him right here. Okay, good deal. Get rid of the box. Alright, got one more. Now this one is something completely different. It's Papa Rocks, which is my main collection is Pop Rocks. Had to have this one. And if you'll notice, we got Joey here with us. There's a reason for that. Hey, almost done. Look here. Okay. Oh, it's in a protector. Kind of hard to find. It's Joey Ramone. Yep, there he is, Joey Ramone. What? He wants to be sedated. How about that? Okay, let's get him out of there. Look, there's Joey. He's got his glasses. Yeah, here we go. Joey. Look, it's Joey Ramone. It's your favorite. Sit down. Get him out of here. Yeah, Rigby's kind of restless tonight. We got Mama upstairs putting up the Christmas tree. Okay. Joey. Gotta love the Ramones. Most of them are gone now. And there he is. Joey Ramone. Okay, now, is he gonna stand there? Ooh, that's, I guess. All right, well, that's it for tonight. I've got more coming, of course. And I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. We did. Had a house full of kids and grandkids, and you know how that goes. So, hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, whatever you want to do. And I appreciate all of you. Okay, we'll get these things on the spinner. Well, I'm sure I've already done it once you watch this. But especially these big deluxe albums, we gotta get them out of the box. And we'll see you later. See you later, Rigby. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Say bye. Bye.